In this video, I'll reveal the 6 underrated Indian companies that mutual fund managers are quietly accumulating while the rest of the market was like chasing the big names. So these are the most wanted stocks for 2025 and 26 because these are backed up by data, conviction, and the fundamentals. These are not mere hype. So let's discover what makes these companies stand out amidst all of the companies which are listed in the stock market and how we can invest into this company to get or to find out those multi-baggers. Hey everyone, if this is the first time you're watching this channel, my name is Anand. I've been posting technical as well as financial contents on this channel, Macwin. A like to this video would be most appreciated. While everyone is busy chasing flashy names like Infosys, HDFC in the Indian stock market, the smartest fund managers have been quietly buying 6 completely underrated stocks. These are not hype. There's no noise, it's just pure conviction. So we'll find out what these hidden gems, which are going to be like multi-baggers for 2025 and 26, and why mutual funds are betting crores and crores of rupees on them. So every year, the Economic Times Wealth magazine releases up a list of most wanted stocks. The companies that gives you the top mutual fund managers are steadily accumulating. Not because these are rumors or hype, because these is a long-term potential. And in this year, they're packed up with 6 fascinating stories. Let's decode them and find out like what we can learn from these and the pros and cons of these. So the past year, it's almost like November. The year is like with a lot of chaos. We had like Trump tariff wars, we had a global slowdown, and volatile small cap stocks made everyone nervous. While most of the investors panicked, fund managers quietly increased holdings in companies with strong balance sheet and niche advantages. They weren't looking out for what's hot, but they were buying out what is proven in the market. So we'll find out the best companies. The first company that they've chosen happens to be Aptus Value Housing Finance. So this affordable housing lender gives over 20% of return on equity. So their loan mix gives them a very high spread than peers. They've turned out small ticket housing loans into big profits. And the next company is like KEA Industries. So these are the India's cable giant, I would say. So they are going global. So they are the first Indian manufacturing company which is entering into the HVDC cable manufacturing, which play a massive role in renewable and infrastructure growth. The third company is your Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals. From fan to solar rooftops and smart appliances, their strategy is pushing their margins fast up in the market. The fourth company is Pi Industries. This is a quiet powerhouse in agrochemicals with over 20 new products in the pipeline. They are planting seeds for the next growth cycle, literally and financially. The fifth company is Kirloskar Oil. So they directly play a role in India's capex revival. Their high horsepower gensets are booming again and their exports are climbing up. The sixth company is the PSU that's finally playing a role like a private bank. They have a stable margin with over 94% provision coverage and one of the most cleanest balance sheet among the government banks. So these 6 are the most wanted stocks, not by retailers, not by mere traders, but by people who are managing billions. All the fund managers are crazily buying these, and these are not my results. These are being returns which are published by the ETW Wealth magazine. So getting into the insight of fund managers, they did not buy these stocks overnight. They have been accumulating these stocks slowly for the past 4 quarters because they see real wealth is built by patience, not by panic buying. They look for rising ROE, stable management, and the valuation comfort. The same things which you and I normally ignore while chasing trends. We always follow the FOMO and we miss up all of these things. So tell me in your comments, which of these 6 stocks do you think has the best future? Would you rather follow a mutual fund data or do your own research? I'll read up your answers in the next episode. If you find this useful, hit like and subscribe because every week we'll decode what India's top investors are really buying. So this is what the fund managers are buying, the 6 hidden gems for your next financial year. Thanks for watching and remember always, patience beats prediction.